You see, I was born in Minsk because my mother was a teacher, history teacher in Minsk, and my father was also a teacher, biology, and he was a principal of the school. And I was born in 1938. In 1938, Stalin and Hitler, they made a pact, you know, and they divided Poland, land of Poland, between Germany and Russia. And the board was in Brest-Litovsk. Brest-Litovsk was on the border. Then Stalin, when they came to Poland, arrested all these Polish teachers, intelligence, sent to Siberia. And instead, he sent from Russia teachers to work in Poland. My father and mother were sent to work in Brest-Litovsk. So I was born in Minsk, but they sent, when I already was born, they sent my parents to live in Brest-Litovsk. And when the war started in 1941, from Brest-Litovsk, from Brest, nobody would escape because the war started during the night. The Germans were before this, and everybody was saying that it's a German delegation came for something. And it was nice and quiet night. Everybody was sleeping. And all of a sudden, our nanny ran to my parents' room and said, Uncle Misha, close the windows, it's a thunderstorm. So he gets up and sees through the window, and he says, it's not a storm, it's a war. Because Russians did not know that the war started. Nobody knew, nobody
expected.
Absolutely nobody, except for the government. Government knew, of course, what's going on, but people did not know. So he just see the, you know, artillery and all this, and he grabs me, and nothing more. And my mother and my grandmother was with us, visiting from Minsk, and they start running to the east, towards east, running. All of a sudden, from the east, people running back, and they said, Germans are there already. So we returned and did not escape whole war. We were under the occupation.